Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add and use multiple Instagram accounts. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. And as you can see, there is an arrow facing down here. If I'm going to tap this one, then I can see options and specifically I can see the accounts that I have on this phone device. So if I'm going to tap this one, I can just tap any of my accounts here and I will be easily logged into that account of mine. So I have four accounts and they say that you can only create at least five accounts. So if you only have one account and you wanted to add or use multiple Instagram accounts, then all you have to do is to tap this plus icon here, add account. Then you can just simply type your email address or username, and then you have also to enter your password. As easy as that. So if you tap this one, Instagram will ask if you want to log in existing account. Of course, you have to tap this create new account here. And like what I've said earlier, they just need or Instagram need your username, and after that, create your password, and then all you have to do is to tap next. Then you can create or you have your another account on Instagram. As easy as that. Now you can tap and choose any of your account here in order for you to log in. So if you want to add more, you can just do the same process again. Add account, choose username, add password, and that's it. Verify your email address, then you can have your multiple accounts on Instagram. I do really hope that this video helped you. And thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.